welcome to the Rad Sound Medical Masterclass. Today, we're going to journey deep in. All right, here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the liver's vascular blueprint. Then, we'll dive into the big. I'll wrap up with the key parameters and pitfalls you need to know. Sound good? Let's get started.
And the design is, well, it's brilliantly simple when you break it down. You've got two major highways bringing traffic. Now, before we go any further, we need to get the rules of the road straight. It's actually super simple. Means toward, fugal means away. Got it? These two words are the foundation for everything we're about to up and down as you breathe. You can almost think of it as the low, steady hum of traffic flowing perfectly on the freeway. Okay, on to the second supply line. If the portal vein is the big cargo freeway, then the hepatic artery. Okay, listen up, because this is absolutely critical. The flow in the hepatic veins is directly tied. All right, here are the numbers you need to tattoo on your brain. Portal vein, velocity.